Hello everyone. Hope you all are having a great day. Today we are going to learn about the topic idiosyncrasy according to J.H. Allen. So definition. Idiosyncrasy is an inherited or acquired peculiarity of the organism whereby it reacts abnormally to the agents that are harmless to average individual. Origin of idiosyncrasy. Allen emphasizes the miasmatic basis of idiosyncrasy, especially Sora, which alters individuals' reactive power. Sora creates hypersensitive state of the nervous system. It prepares the ground for idiosyncratic reactions. Manifestation of idiosyncrasy. Aggravated response to remedies, even in minute doses. Second, violent reactions to common food or environmental factors. Example, strawberries, shellfish, pollen, perfumes. An idiosyncratic patient is a barometer. He reflects every atmospheric or internal disturbance more acutely than others. Importance of idiosyncrasy in homeopathic practice. Idiosyncrasies guide the physician towards the deep miasmatic background. In such cases, remedies must be selected with caution. Lower potencies or highly individualized remedies may be required. This is a very important point. It must be mentioned, it will fetch you more marks. And also in practice, it will help you. Reactions are often exaggerated, needing careful case management. The idiosyncratic individual calls for the finest application of the law of similars, else we do more harm than good. Very, very important point. It will fetch you good marks. If you want good marks in a short note, these points must be mentioned. So you'll get 4 or maybe 5 if luck persists. Conclusion. J.H. Allen views idiosyncrasy as a constitutional miasm induced abnormality of reactivity, not merely a superficial sensitivity. A true homeopath must understand the miasmatic roots and treat accordingly with anti-miasmatic remedies. He who fails to recognize these peculiarities will often be surprised by violent aggravation of well chosen remedies. Very, very important point. So, we finish with the topic. Have a great day. Best of luck for your exams and keep supporting.